Hey, what's up guys? So this morning, Best Buy just leaked the new Escort Max 3 radar detector. Now, the listing has since been pulled, but we got a bunch of information from the website before the Max 3 was taken down. It basically looks like an updated version of the Max 2 with a new case and a new design. It now looks very similar to the Escort IXC. I'm guessing that under the hood, it's pretty much the same thing in terms of performance and features and all that kind of stuff. We'll have to see exactly, of course, once the detector is officially announced and we have a chance to test it and all that kind of stuff. But I'm guessing it's pretty much just a Max 2 in a new case and with a new mount. Now, one thing that was interesting about the website is they also mentioned that the Max 3 has Wi-Fi. I don't think that this is correct for a couple reasons. First of all, if it had Wi-Fi, it would be called the Escort Max 3C, like the Escort IXC or the Max 360C, or the Redline 360C, which is going to be announced tomorrow, and I think that one is going to include Wi-Fi as well, so it would be called the Max 3C if it had it. Additionally, the speed limit on the display would be white instead of blue. Plus, if you take a look at the preliminary data sheet that was posted on Best Buy's website, it looks like they were pretty much just using information from the IXC. You can even see a reference for the IXC, and they simply hadn't updated all the information yet to make it up to date for the Max 3. So I think that's just a typo on their website because not everything is finished and ready yet. Even the photos they posted on the website still have the tripod ball head holding up the detector, and they didn't Photoshop it out yet. So it's still kind of preliminary early stuff. So I don't think that it has Wi-Fi, but maybe it does. We'll have to see once it actually gets released. Now, I don't know when the detector is supposed to be officially announced, but I had a chance to actually speak with an anonymous Best Buy employee this morning who let me know that the detector is supposed to be available, at least on their website, at the end of the month on June 30th. Additionally, he also mentioned that it looks like the IXC is on its way out. It's sold out of most stores, and it looks like it's got a deletion date of when you can no longer buy it from Best Buy of July 12th. So it looks like it's quite possible that the Max 3 could be a replacement for the IXC, which I think would be great. It makes sense to do that. The IXC retails for $450. It's currently on sale for $400. Apparently, from what I'm hearing, that's actually the permanent price for the time being until it's discontinued. We'll have to see for sure, of course. So let's call it $400 for the IXC. But the Max 3 with the digital platform, I think makes more sense. It's going to have better performance. It'll have better BSM filtering. Plus, if it has Wi-Fi, there would pretty much be no point to having an IXC because it would have all the same features but performs better and has fewer false alerts. So we'll have to really see with the whole Wi-Fi thing. But either way, we're pretty much looking at a Max 3, which is a Max 2, just with a new case, a new mount, and maybe Wi-Fi. We'll have to see. I'm curious to see once it's released how it would compete with detectors like the IXC, as I just mentioned. And I think maybe its biggest competitors would actually be detectors like the Uniden R3 and the Rodenso Pro M, which I personally think would be better choices. $300 and $450 if you're looking for a detector in that price range. I would kind of lean towards those two, but it's nice to see maybe an update from Escort in the $400 price range for kind of what they're offering for their kind of higher end non-aero detectors. The original Escort Passport Max came out back in 2013. Then in 2015, they released the Max 2, which was the same thing, just with the Bluetooth chip inside. And now it looks like here at the end of the month here in 2020, they're going to be releasing the Max 3, which again, it looks like the same thing, just new case, new mount, and potentially Wi-Fi. The Max platform has had some improvements, especially in terms of the BSM filtering over the years. So it's gotten better since they originally released this detector back in 2013, 7 years ago. And they've had some changes, Bluetooth, new case, that kind of stuff. But the platform has gotten better, but there's also a bunch of other options that are available now too. So Max 3 looks like that's going to be available at the end of the month. Was leaked on Best Buy's website, retails for $400, and we'll have to see once it's available what it's like, what features it has, what the improvements are over the Max 2, especially if it's hopefully more than just a new case and a new mount. We'll see. And then we'll do some testing, of course, and see how it compares to all the other options that are out there. So anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. And yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.